Hello and welcome to the week ahead video. A couple of things to brief you on the next 5 trading sessions then. It's a relatively slow start to the week, however it really does pick up towards the end of the week with Thursday 1:30 London time, 7:30 in Chicago, seeing a slew of economic releases from not just the US but also Europe. So on Thursday this week we see the non-farm payrolls reading for the latest month. That's expected at just above 200,000, which continues to highlight that paradox question of just how does the US keep adding around 200,000 jobs per month, yet still register very, very contractionary GDP numbers. Of course, we did see last week that contraction of 2.9% for the final Q1 reading. So again, that is due on Thursday, brought forward a day earlier than its normal release due to the Independence Day holidays in the US on Friday, which will see the vast majority of US markets all being closed for business. It could be a very quiet end to the week as well as the start. Elsewhere though, we have the ECB rate decision, where unsurprisingly all analysts are expecting no change on rates and no expectations of any further policy announcements, with all eyes turning to the press conference where Draghi is expected to be quizzed on the transparency of a potential TLTRO programme, which is expected to be in the tune of around 400 billion euros. So as yet, these ECB measures that they launched last month are yet to have a real effect, with all eyes turning to next month's CPI numbers. We've already seen June's number coming around the 0.5% level for the CPI estimate, but looking to see if this is revised any higher after we did see those German numbers last week beating expectations. Elsewhere this week though, it is relatively quiet in terms of earnings as we head in towards the next quarterly earnings releases. They all begin at around the first couple of weeks of July. However, this week, again, we will have holiday-interrupted markets with all eyes turning to the US jobs data as well as the ECB rate decision, again all on Thursday. So we'll bring you all those releases as soon as they hit the wires, as well as any other relevant commentary to your trading. But in the meantime, that's all from me. Make sure you have a fantastic week.